welcome to another laundry motivation video. My name is Tammy in case you are new here, and welcome back if you are a returning subscriber. So I am doing an all-day laundry routine today. I'm taking all day just to catch up on laundry because, as always, I'm running behind on it, but we are in this together. I'm gonna help motivate you to get your own laundry done. So grab a load and sit down, put my video on, and we can just sit here together, listen to some music, chat, and I always love when you guys chat with me in the comments as well. Just let me know what you're doing. Are you just sitting back and relaxing and just getting this motivation in so that you can do laundry, or are you folding along with me? Just let me know what you're doing in the comments below because I always love interacting with you guys.
We're one step closer to find ourselves a perfect place, a feeling you just can't deny. So come on over, 'cause I could never live without you.
So in the past few laundry videos that I made, I was mentioning to you guys that I discovered Gilmore Girls, and I have been binge watching the seasons as I fold laundry. Well, I have officially finished all 7 seasons. I just, whipped right through that series, and there was a lot of episodes. Anyways, it was just one of those really comforting shows to watch, and so I really enjoyed having that there while I was folding laundry. And as I'm folding this load, I'm actually watching the newest Gilmore Girls. It's 10 years later. It's called Year in the Life. And so it's just 4 episodes, but the episodes are really long, and it's really nostalgic of looking back. I can imagine people who saw the series originally and actually had to wait 10 years to be able to watch that. That must have been really exciting to watch, and it was still exciting for me too, but I was able to just watch it right away. In fact, I just started that as soon as I was done the season finale, or I should say the series finale of season 7. So anyways, that's what I'm watching now, and I'm so enjoying it. And as I have done the voiceover now, I am completely finished the series. So now I need to ask you guys, what's another good series that I can watch while I fold laundry? Let me know in the comments below, and then other people can look there too and get some ideas, and I can share that in my next laundry video.
There's a little bit of me inside of you, and I still wonder if you ever felt it too, but I can take the fall. So long, so hard just to find the words to say. I tell myself I catch you on another day. Now time is running out. I meant to call, but I was too scared to hear you say, oh, you're not the one, no, you're not the one. So I hold on to this dream a little longer. Ooh, a little longer. A little longer. Ooh, a little longer.
So once I was done folding this second load of laundry, I took my laundry basket and went around my house picking up a whole bunch of laundry that was around because, like I said, I'm so behind on this, but I hadn't actually gathered all of the laundry up. It was still scattered throughout my house. I had to pick it up off my bedroom floor, my bathroom especially, my kids' bathroom, my kids' bedrooms, and I will find random laundry just everywhere. So anyways, I went around, gathered that all up, and then I brought it over to my laundry sorter that I have in this closet here. This is right beside my laundry room. I used to have this sorter actually in my laundry room, but it was a little bit crowded in there because it's also a half bath. So I found this really great solution to put it beside my laundry room, and that way it is hidden behind those doors and nobody has to see my dirty laundry sitting in there. So now I'm just throwing over the load that was in the washer, and then I can put in the new load of whites. Whenever I'm washing a load that is exclusively white clothing, then I'll add in a little bit of bleach, and that just gives it a little bit of extra cleaning power and gets rid of some stains. And I'm also using the Eco Max laundry detergent. This is my new favorite because it smells so good. So I am taking a break from laundry right now. I have the kids in the back and we are going to Dinosaur Park right now. We're meeting up with some other homeschoolers, and I am a mom first before I am, doing laundry and stuff. So this takes priority, and you might be wondering, am I driving right now? Nope, I'm not. I have a driver now, a personal driver. She's 17, so she can drive me around now. Anyways, so that's why I just want to let you guys know I'm not trying to vlog and drive at the same time. Are you guys excited about going to Dinosaur Park?
Yeah!
Yeah, it's always fun when we go there, and we're lucky enough to be living not too far from this. I think it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it has so many dinosaur bones buried in it, and it's just fun to go around. So I'm going to show you guys the hoodoos and stuff, and it's just really pretty. I'm especially going to film the drive into Dinosaur Park because it looks amazing. It's just flat prairie. You're just on flat prairie, and then all of a sudden you just go down and there's these beautiful hoodoos, and it just feels like you are stepping back into prehistoric times. So anyways, I'll show you guys that here right away. Dust butt. Alright, so we are back from our little homeschool adventure at Dinosaur Park, and of course the clothes are now dry and washed and I can throw everything over. Of course, I always got to get the lint out of the dryer, make sure that I clean that out every single time, and now I can throw the whites over to the dryer and fold the load that was sitting in there.
Love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me
So beside me is sitting a Slurpee, and that was very, very much needed today. It was so hot out, and of course I love the heat. The heat is wonderful, but the bad thing about it today was that our air conditioning in our car stopped working. So we were traveling for like 25 minutes to Dinosaur Park and 25 minutes from Dinosaur Park, and it was sweltering hot. And of course, when you're on the highway, you don't necessarily want to have the windows rolled down because you're going too fast on the highway. So whenever we were going slower, of course, we just had the windows down, and even had the windows down a little bit even just on the highway. But it was so hot in the car. It's fixed now, by the way, but that day it was the only way that we could get out, and that was what we had to do. Anyways, we were like dying of heat, but thankfully we actually had to come through town because where we live in this little lake community, it's on the other side of town than Dinosaur Park. So we were able to stop at 7-Eleven and get a bunch of Slurpees, and they taste so amazing when you are sweltering hot. And I mean, I say it's sweltering hot, but this is sweltering hot for Canada, and I'm sure that if you live in like the southern states or something, you're probably just laughing at me because it probably would have felt like a cool day to you, but to me it felt hot. And I am not complaining about the heat, by the way, because I love the heat. I live for the heat. Like I said, I live in Canada, and it is cold for a very large portion of the year. So when it is warm like this, like, I just soak it up. However, it is not so nice when you're in a car that is really, really hot, and that just, just makes it feel even hotter. So my point through all of this rambling is that Slurpees are amazing, and they are my favorite treat when it is hot out. Also, when I was pregnant. Whenever I was pregnant, and I was pregnant through the winter for the most part, through all of my 4 babies, they were all like born January, February, and May. So the bulk of my pregnancy, it was cold out, but I still loved Slurpees even then. So anyways, being pregnant or in the summer. So basically the only times in my life when I feel overheated, then Slurpees are my go-to. Alright, so anyways, we're gonna get back to the laundry now, or at least talking about the laundry. I've been doing laundry this entire time. I'm now folding that stack of whites, and I actually wanted to show you guys here at the end how my sock situation goes when it comes to the whites. So my whole family, we all got just white socks for the most part. I think there's a few black socks here and there, but overall, we all have white socks, and all of those socks are the same for each individual person. So it is so easy to match everything up. So you can just see here, like, I am just placing the socks. Some of them are different because they're for different people, but you can see just how easily I can find a match, and I am not wasting valuable time like trying to find a match for a sock. I have given up on that. This is my minimalist hack, and I think I say this like every time I do socks when I'm showing a laundry video, but in case you haven't seen my old videos, then I'm just, repeating myself over again, but this is a great life hack. Okay, so I am just going to continue on with this super speed folding here, and I would also like you guys to comment below if you enjoyed this part of the video. I often put these at the end of my video where I'm just doing like a super speed folding, and honestly, after I've edited this and I'm watching it back, I find it super satisfying to watch. So let me know in the comments below if you guys find this super satisfying and if you want me to continue making videos like this.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself on else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind. Find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'm on my way now.
Okay guys, that's a wrap for another video, and thank you so much for being here with me today. I hope you were able to get something done on your to-do list, especially if it was laundry, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care.